Hello and welcome, my name's Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline. It is a 73 plate and comes finished in the Indium grey paintwork. It comes with a diesel automatic engine and offers 204 PS. Taking a look at some of your exterior features, on the front you will find your LED headlights providing exceptional visibility with automatic activation as well. It also comes with a 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels providing a nice styling. It also comes with the 4Motion system offering the 4-wheel drive. Around to the rear you'll find the tailgate rear door offering ample space in the short wheelbase. You'll also find lashing rings for load restraints and LED ambient lighting with easy access via the sliding side door. Making our way into the front, on the door card you'll find your electrically adjustable door mirrors with heating and folding features, as well as electric front windows, lighting and wiper controls behind your steering wheel, and the lovely bricks cloth upholstery with plenty of seating and even armrests here for the driver. On the steering wheel you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter functions on the left, as well as some volume controls, and on the right you'll find your next and back buttons as well as controls for the digital cockpit screen. Onto the media system, under radio you'll find plenty to listen to, with AM, FM and DAB wavebands offering stations from all across the country, as well as personal media via USB and Bluetooth audio. The Bluetooth can also be used for hands-free calling, making or taking any on the go, nice and easily via the steering wheel controls. You've also got voice control as well to make manoeuvring around the system much easier whilst driving. You've also got navigation to guide you nice and easily, with points of interest as well, such as parking, any restaurants or food places and other amenities. App Connect will also allow integration of your smartphone directly into the system so you can use your apps on the screen. It also comes with the front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera with guidelines, making it a little bit easier to manoeuvre the vehicle. Making our way down now from the main screen, you have your heated seat controls as well as the climate to make it nice and easy to adjust, and behind that you've also got the automatic gear stick. To the left you'll find a cup holder space as well as a 12V and 2 USB-C connections for the media system. For more information, visit the Swansweight Motor Group website or give our friendly team a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.